Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete some controls from the control center on the iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same. So what you want to do to delete some controls from the control center, as you can see now I do have plenty and I want to get rid of some of them. So what you want to do is to go to the settings and then go to the control center, which is right here, this icon. Then as you can see you have something called included controls. So this means that these are the controls right here in this section are controls that you can find right here. So if you want to just delete some of them, you just need to press the minus here and then click remove. So minus, remove. I also want to remove hearing, the magnifier, the notes also, and let's say the sound recognition also I want to remove, the text size also, voice memos also, and okay. And let's say that these are the controls that I want to have, but I do want to have 3 full rows, so I need to just add one. The one that is most telling to me maybe is going to be, let's say, the dark mode. Alright, and now as you can see, this is how you can manage your controls in the control center. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!